I'm just going to give you a couple values that, first and foremost, I think we can kind of model, and then hopefully create a culture of teams that model so that, again, we actually have a competitive edge in managing these types of complexities with skill, with confidence. Okay, so they're all around C's. So the first C I'm going to illustrate with a bit of an activity. I want everyone to point, and on the ceiling, I want you to draw a big circle in a clockwise motion. Big circle clockwise, okay? So I'm going to keep doing that, but slowly lower your hand. Keep pointing upwards, but keep lowering your hand. So you're going clockwise, you're pointing upwards, keep lowering until you're around chest height. Just look, what direction is your finger going? How many people are going counterclockwise? What happened? It's like your pen's broken. Ken's like, it's impossible. What happened? Your perspective changed. And that's all that happened. And what's interesting is that idea of perspective change matters with these tensions, because Lisa and I could be looking at the exact same situation, and even though we're seeing the same things, because we're coming at it from a different side, we'd explain it differently. We'd have different values. And like the first value that's so critical that you need to embody if you're going to manage these tensions well is this value of staying curious. Staying curious means generally that you recognize, I don't have to agree with someone to learn from them. In fact, if all I do is hang out with people I agree with, my learning goes down considerably. So how do I hold on to what I see and just say, gosh, I'm not seeing it that way. I'm not there. Help me see what maybe I'm missing. It's not that I'm wrong, but I may have blind spots. So curiosity is the first one. I would say if this is something that you maybe have to step up, learn to start sentences with these magical words. Help me understand this. And again, that doesn't mean I'm agreeing or disagreeing. It's like, I'm not there. Help me. How'd you get there? This seems like it matters to you. Help me understand what's behind that.